Hey guys, welcome back. Today is my first day on my pescatarian diet. It is Saturday, April 14th, 2018. I know I told you I was going to start on Sunday, but I decided, what the heck, one day is not going to make a big difference. I hope you guys can follow me throughout the day. I will have, hopefully, a workout, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Alright guys, so here's the video. Hey guys, so I just got back from working out. This is gonna be my breakfast. I'm doing a simple 3-ingredient smoothie bowl. You're first gonna need 1 small banana. What I usually do is I freeze them right when they're ripe, put them in the refrigerator, put them in a Ziploc bag, so then I can just fish it out once I'm ready to make my smoothie bowls. So you do that, and then you do 1 cup of your frozen fruit of choice. Right now, I had frozen mango, so I'll be using that. Okay. And then you can use about, at first start with like 2 to 3 tablespoons. I am just gonna freehand it right now. 2, 3. Okay. So keep moving it around. You don't want to overheat your blender. Times like these, I wish I had a Vitamix so I can just push that stuff down. I'm going to add a little bit more of milk. Ideally, you would not add more than 1/4 of a cup by the end. It all depends on how smooth you want it or how watery you want it. Usually, I put in about 1/4 of a cup. Alright guys, so this is our smoothie bowl. And we just add it into a bowl. There you go. The next step is adding in your toppings. I mean, you can eat it just like this, but I usually like to put some fruit on there, so I'll put some fresh strawberries, not frozen. These are walnuts. This is my first time putting these. I usually put granola, but since I don't have any granola, I'll be putting a little bit of steel oats. Don't have to. And again, these toppings are optional. You don't have to put it in, but look how cute that looks. Alright guys, I am ready for dinner. I bought this at Kroger. It's called Walk Me Up. It came with tofu pre-packaged. In order to cook tofu, I really recommend getting rid of the excess water. Something easy that I do is basically I place 1 plate at the bottom, paper towel, the tofu paper towel, and another plate on top, and then I just press down. I do that in the sink, and it gets rid of excess water. And then this is how your tofu is going to look. Okay, so I know a lot of people don't like the texture of tofu, and this may help in alleviating that like weird texture. Right now I'm just going to use my stovetop to cook it because that is what it says here. So this package brings its own sauce. all I have to do is add my vegetable, and I am adding broccoli. Okay, so what you're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, which I already have here and measured. And now I'm going to go warm that up and then cook my tofu. Okay, I'll be right back. Make sure you have high heat to warm up that vegetable oil. And then you're going to be cooking the tofu on high heat until it's golden brown. And that should take about 3 minutes. After that, you're going to add your vegetables. It says 6 ounces and this is a 12-ounce bag, but I don't mind having more broccoli than is needed. So I am going to place the 12 ounces in there. You can follow the recipe to the T and just add 6 ounces. Then you want to cook that about 2 minutes. Once that's done, you reduce the heat to low, and then you add the contents of the sauce packet and you stir. And you cook that for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can eat this over rice or over pasta, whatever it is that you want, or alone, as long as you know it's appetizing to you. Alright guys, let's build our bowl. I'm just gonna place about a spoonful of rice. It's about 1/4, maybe a half a cup of rice. So that's the first step. And then I am going to add in the tofu, a little bit of the sauce to moisten the rice. A lot of broccoli. So this is our bowl. Alright guys, so this turned out really good. Because I'm aware that a lot of people don't have that pre-packaged in their supermarkets, I think I'm gonna also link down below like a dupe sauce where you can do it at home. The tofu will be completed the same way, and then you'll add the broccoli the same way. So the only thing that's going to be changing is the sauce, and it tastes really good. So take my word for it, try it out, let me know how it goes. And this is my last meal of the day. So far, my first day went well. I was able to work out, eat breakfast, eat my little snack, which technically became my lunch, which was the avocado toast. A lot of people don't think about adding honey on top, but it just gives it the perfect sweetness to it, and it became the perfect lunch for today. And then I was able to make dinner, and I'm sure this will keep me full for the rest of the night. I'm hoping to spend some time with my boyfriend and maybe watch a TV show on Netflix. I hope to be back next week to let you know how my first week as a pescatarian went. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for joining me. Bye.